Okay, so today I'm gonna be opening my Play by Sephora box. This is like those $10 subscription things. Like mine's is $11, and every month they send me 5 travel size per I was gonna say prescriptions. That's completely wrong. But yeah, they send me these 5 little travel size gifts plus the little $50 point, or like 50 points to add to my Sephora account, and then I get another like sample size something. Okay, so it'll always come with a paper that tells you what's in your pack. I got some NARS lipstick, some mascara, some moisturizer, some something else for my hair, a perfume, and then also a sunscreen protector. Okay, so it comes in this cute little red bag with all the things inside of it. I show you guys everything that came inside of it. I got this NARS. It's like a deep red color. I like it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. I don't really wear red lipstick like that. And then now I'm opening my Too Faced package. This one is not subscription. I just bought it because like they were having a sale, so I was trying to catch the sale. So I got a loose pigment gold glitter, and then I also got this white peach palette. I really like the colors in there. I'm gonna open it for you guys to show you what it looks like and whatnot, and then I'm gonna also swatch it so you guys get the colors. I like the packaging for the glitter, which is what I'm holding now. They say on the package it says it's mixed with real 14 karat gold plus the artificial gold. I also got this melted lipstick in the color Chihuahua. It's like a pink nude. I like that also. I'm not sure where I'm gonna wear it. I don't really wear a lot of lipstick, mostly lip gloss and stuff like that, but I'm getting into wearing different things. I am a bit sick, so that's probably why my voice and I sound so stuffed up. I just recently reached my 1,000 subscriber goal, so I will be doing my video about that, about the winners of my giveaway. It's gonna last a little bit longer since I'm sick and I'm not sure like when I'm gonna be able to do the video. So up until the point where I'm not sick anymore, I'm gonna just let people still enter and stuff. So here's the palette. I really like the colors, and it really does smell like amazing. I like the case since it's really nice. It's nice packaging, and don't mind my nails. This was before I taped this before I got my actual nails done. Okay, so then I'm gonna open it and show you guys the colors and stuff, and then in the next clip you're gonna see me swatch it out for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so these ones are fuzzy on the grill. Yeah.